Hello students, today I am going to teach you lesson number 2, MS Windows 7. In this lesson we will study Introduction, MS Windows 7, Features of Windows 7, Functions of Windows 7, Wallpaper and Screensaver. So let's start our lesson. Introduction. MS Windows is an operating system that controls all the operations of a computer. There are various versions of MS Windows. Such as MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7. So in this chapter we will learn about MS Windows 7. MS Windows 7. Windows 7 is the most recent version of Microsoft Windows. It is one of the most popularly used operating system. It is produced to use on personal computer, including home and business, desktop, laptop, netbooks, tablet, PCs and media centers. Features of Windows 7. Look-wise, Windows 7 is very attractive. It has colorful themes. It has many features and new technologies and that make our operations most efficient and reliable. It has improved program, faster speed and its security tools make a computer more secure and fast. It has a desktop slideshow that changes itself after designed time. Control panel in Windows 7 helps user to manage different functions of computer. The desktop of Windows 7 has many icons that are used to open files or folders, different programs, etc. There are some common additions of Windows 7 are Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Ultimate. After Windows 7, Windows 8 is coming. Operating system of a Microsoft company, its existence was first announced in January 2011. Functions of Windows 7. You have learnt when user starts the computer, a desktop appears on the monitor screen. Screen contains icons and taskbar and helps a user to work on the computer comfortably. You have already learned that we save our data in a file, but it is necessary to recall the memory. Let us revise once again. Files. In MS Word, Windows 7, users save the information and data on a disk with a suitable name. The area on which data is saved on the disk is called file. It is also right to say that file is collection of related data on a disk. Now, folder. A folder contains many files. When one or more related files are stored in a storage area, it is called a folder. A folder also can hold many folders known as subfolders. Now, how to create a file? So, if you want to create a new file, then how we will do it? So, follow these following steps. To create a file, step 1, open MS Word. Second step, type anything which you want. Then step 3, click on home and then save. A window appears on the screen. Step 4, now give a specific name to the file and select the disk whenever you want to save. Step 5, click on save. Your data gets saved on your chosen disk. In this Following given the steps you will follow, and in this process you can create your file. Get it? Now, how to create a folder? To create a folder, follow the given steps. Click the right button of mouse once away from icon on desktop. A menu appear on the screen. Click on the new option. A new options appears. Click on the folder option and a new folder is created on your desktop. Type the suitable name of the folder according to you and press enter key. A new folder has been created on the desktop. Now you created the files and folders. So now you will learn how to open a file or folder. If you want to open a created file or folder, you should move the mouse pointer to that file or folder and double click on it. When you double clicking on that, your file or folder will get open.